Okay, so here I am. Just got the Mopar Cold Air Intake. Like literally just got it. So far from what I noticed, I don't really hear anything different as far as the engine goes. I do notice some much better throttle response. It's quicker, that's for sure. As for horsepower, I have no idea how much it added. Very small amount, if any. And there it is. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but there it is in the 2013 Dodge Challenger RT. I think it looks sick. Not disappointed here. The only thing it did change sound-wise was the growl. It's a little deeper now. Sounds a lot better. Got a nice little rumble to it. Let me see if I can prop this cell phone up and rev it a little bit. I'm sure the camera's not going to help much, but this is the best I can do. Hopefully you got that. I like it. I mean, it's a small enhancement for the price. The part was like $414. I don't know if it was completely worth it, but got it done anyway. Does make a small difference. I need a tuner. Not entirely sure how to put one on. Dealership won't put it on because it would void the warranty, so I gotta learn. But yeah, there's the Mopar Cold Air Intake.